So this time we're going to try and rationalize the denominator again, but the expression on the bottom is a little bit more complicated than in any previous example. This time on the bottom we have, in the denominator, we have a difference, 2 minus root 6. So there's a regular number part of this and a part that includes the square root. In this case, there's a specific procedure to rationalize these types of functions. What we do is we multiply by the conjugate of the bottom. Okay, so the denominator is 2 minus root 6, which means the conjugate is 2 plus root 6. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom of the original fraction by the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so that's going to give us 3 times 2 plus root 6 on top, and on the bottom we're going to have 2 minus root 6 times 2 plus root 6. Okay, well, on the top we're going to distribute the 3. Okay, so on the top we're going to distribute the 3, and that's going to give us 3 times 2 is 6, and then 3 by the square root of 6 is just 3 root 6. Okay, when you multiply a regular number by a square root, you just put them together like that. Now on the bottom we have 2 minus root 6 by 2 plus root 6. So I forgot the square root there on that root 6. Now you can use FOIL to multiply that out, or you can use the shortcut that we did a few moments ago. And the shortcut would be, it's the first one squared, so 2 squared is, and then minus the second number, the number under the square root sign, and we don't square it. Okay, we just leave it as it is. So the number under the square root sign we're not going to square, we're just going to use it as it is. So on the top that's going to be 6 plus 3 root 6, and on the bottom 2 squared is 4 minus 6. Okay, so that's going to give you 6 plus 3 root 6 divided by negative 2. Okay, so you can leave it like that, or you can split it up. Now let's indicate that that's the correct answer like that, so you can leave it like that, or you can split it up. Now if you go to split up a fraction, you must keep the bottom under each part of it. So we can do 6 over negative 2 plus 3 root 6 over negative 2. Okay, so you can write it like this as well. Now, 6 divided by negative 2 plus divided by minus is minus. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then we have a plus over a minus. Plus over a minus is minus 3 root 6 over 2. We can't cancel the 2 and the root 6 because one of them has a square root, and 3 and 2 can't be reduced. So we're just going to leave this as 3 root 6 over 2. So there are 2 ways to write your answer, at least 2 ways, and either of those, what's ringed in orange or what's fenced off in the purple, both are correct. Just 2 different ways of writing the same answer. Okay, thanks for watching.